Hey guys, and welcome to the video. This is our trip to Mont Tremblant, and we stayed in the 3-bedroom at Embarc. So thanks for coming along, and hope you enjoy it.
Okay, here we are at Embarc. This is the 3-bedroom. Let's take you inside. All right, you gotta climb stairs if you're gonna go into this one, but part of the deal. Excuse the mess. Little bathroom in here.
Where's my goggles?
The master.
The dishwasher too.
Okay.
What did you say?
Doing a tour. Little park with some barbecues. Golf course is right there. Mountain up here. A better view of it over here. Not really. You can just see the top. Boop, there. Little kitchen. Everything's a mess. We've been here for a few days, so. And we're on holidays. Little washer dryer setup, that's handy. Kids room. Bunk beds, a little tiny bed in the corner. And then another room in here with another little bed. So you could fit a lot of little people in here anyway. Fireplace. Yeah. There you go, 3-bedroom Embarc Tremblant. Pretty nice. Yeah. Well, it made it possible to, have this kind of village away from the parking lots.
Yeah, and then you can bring all your skis and everything in here.
Yeah, on that side.
Yeah, you would have brought your bikes and stuff like that.
Should have brought our bikes anyways. Those sweet trails up there.
Here at the beach, $20 per person. And it's a nice view.
Like a crab.
Here. So, put this around your. Come on.
Okay. Ready? 1, 2, 3.
Yay. Seat's warm.
Yeah, they're very warm. White's toasty.
Say hi.
When is the door high? When is the door gonna close?
I don't know. I don't think it is going to close. I think it's just going to stay open the whole time. Are you sure about that?
Yeah.
There's like a 5-year-old. Yeah. That happens. Probably. Or just not French. Ooh, that's pretty. You want to taste it? Yeah.
Here we are.
Here we are.
Here we are.
Scarlett, look at say hello.
Hello.
And there's Vinny. And we're going up to do some hiking. We're serious hiking.
Yeah.
Serious.
Serious about success.
Maybe just go right on the water, yeah.
It's definitely the tallest mountain around
Yeah.
for a while.
To the top. Almost here.
Tippy top.
Stand up. Oh, yeah. Get ready.
Whoa.
Top of the zip line course. What's that? Oh, I'll hold your hand the whole time if you like.
Blades right here.
Yeah.
This is so pretty. Look at all these nice ferns.
Oh,
Oh, yeah.
ferns.
More green. They look so pretty, though, don't they?
A double black right here.
Yeah, it says double black.
All those rocks.
Oh, yeah, that's crazy.
I'm going on rocky path because I like to step
Like
on
this is where you can actually ski through here?
Yeah, this is all the Versant Soleil, they call it, which wasn't here when we used to have memberships here.
I like stepping on rocks. Is that going on this rock?
Mm-hmm. Yep, I'm following you. What do you think? You glad we're not walking all the way down? I think taking the gondola is the correct play for us, especially with Scarlett. Bridge.
No, yeah, I wanted you in the picture, but then you can see the
Some
village.
person in the gondola had like like they were all used up. They had like a hard helmet on. They had like a harness.
Duty down.
So that was it, our short but sweet trip. It was a great time. Definitely recommend heading to Tremblant in the summer if you haven't been there in the summer. It's a great spot to check out. It's obviously great in the winter too, although a little cold. Kind of nice to be in there, the warm temperatures. Thanks for watching.